Okay, hello guys. Today I would like to teach you all how to how to get the extension or download the extension of TubeBuddy. So this extension was able to help your YouTube channel to be improved, your statistic to be keep increasing and keep improving. That help you to improve your YouTube slide, YouTube's view, YouTube's share, and everything of your YouTube. So this extension was able to improve your YouTube channel because it contains of some features that might help your YouTube to grow, like SEO keyword searching as well. So now I would like to teach you all step by step for how to get in this extension. So firstly, you need to go to the Google Chrome, or you have Mozilla Firefox or something else platform also can. Then just type in the link called tubebuddy.com/install. After you type in, just click enter. Okay, so in order to teach you all, I need to remove it first. Okay, afterward you will saw this interface and you just go to the add to Chrome button here, just click it. Then next one is click the add extension buttons. It may took a few minutes or seconds for it to download. Okay, so when it's done, it will lead you to this page, and those are the steps or guidelines for you to use the tools. So we just go to our YouTube channel, and we just need to register ourselves. Here it stated that the TubeBuddy sign in required. Click here, so just click this and go to the button here, sign in with YouTube, and choose your Google account in order to sign in, like Theorio. So you need to allow this access to the Google account, to the TubeBuddy. So just click allow. Okay, afterward you have done register it, so it will display the successfully signed in message for you. Then you will start using these tools to improve your YouTube or improve your performance. So that's all for today. I would like to see you all in the next lesson. Bye bye.